We would like to welcome you with the flagship project of Ayala Land Inc., the gateway to the North Quezon City, Vertis North. Ayala Land's joint venture with the National Housing Authority takes Quezon City to the next level. Avida Tower Sola in Vertis North is situated in a convenient and friendly environment of Barangay Pag-asa, Quezon City. A total of 7,134 square meters that is composed of 2 towers. Tower 1 of Avida Tower Sola has a total of 31 residential floors, with a busy view of EDSA, Amenity, and Trinoma Mall, while the Tower 2 has a total of 38 residential floors, with 4 high-speed elevators, 2 fire exits per floor, electrical room, and garbage room, with 5 podium parking levels and 2 basement parking floors. The first residential floor starts in the 6th level of the building from the ground floor on the way to the 38th residential floor. As part of Ayala Land's sustainability effort to efficient use of energy, water, and other resources as well as reduction of pollutants, Ayala Land Inc. promotes the use of green building for Tower 2. We in Avida, when it comes to amenity level, we simplify and we give only the basic needs of the unit owners and designed to foster interaction within the community. It comes with a clubhouse, indoor gym, lap pool, kiddie pool, play area, lawns, and landscape spaces. Tower 2 has a better view to offer, with various unit cuts to cater to diverse interests and individuals. Facing EDSA, amenity offers a good view of amenities consisting of 1 bedroom with and without balcony, 2 bedroom with balcony, studio with and without balcony, while facing Trinoma offers a mall view of the corner 3 bedroom with balcony, while the prime view facing Vertis Gardens offers a studio and a 1 bedroom unit with and without balcony. Imagine standing on your balcony if you are in your relaxed day, sitting while sipping a cup of coffee, looking at the 2 hectares Vertis Garden, just like the Central Park in New York, that is dedicated to green and open spaces. While facing Avida Towers, Vita has a studio, 1 bedroom, and 2 bedroom unit preference. The 65 billion peso investment of Ayala Land launched year 2013. Business, leisure, and living are united into one destination at the heart of Quezon City's central business district, with a total of 45 hectares prime land, 29 hectares exclusive only for Vertis North, boasts to bring all the elements of a modern and sustainable mixed-use development, while the 16 hectares is exclusive for Trinoma Mall. Vertis North is composed of 38% residential communities, 43% large-scale integrated mixed-use development. So if you're looking for an investment or end use, definitely the percentage of residential and mixed-use communities will give us bigger chance of potential buyer or rental market. Vertis North, which is the city center of Quezon City, easily accessible via EDSA and MRT, and located near in commercial areas and places of work. We have here Ayala Malls and Seda Hotel, which are already operational, Solar Hotel, which is set to operate soon, Ayala offices, and our famous ready for occupancy 3 towers Avida Towers Vita that offers also from studio, 1 bedroom, and 2 bedroom unit. So why live in Avida Towers Sola and Avida Towers Vita in Vertis North? First, you stay connected with major transportation system in Manila. An example for this is the unified Grand Central Terminal, subway that leads you to the airport terminal in a few minutes. You also stay connected with 2 of the biggest malls, Trinoma and Vertis Mall. Second, you are at the center of it all. Imagine living in walking distance malls, hotels, schools like Ateneo, UP Diliman and Philippine Science High School, hospitals like Veterans Memorial Medical Center, and places of work like ABS-CBN and GMA. Third, increase value over time. And in this, we are proud to say that we achieved 98% increase from the moment we launched the project. If you're an entrepreneur, a multinational, a visitor, or a resident for the best of the best in and around the city, Vertis North is the place for you. With a flexible payment term, location and accessibility, efficiently designed with right-size units, one-of-a-kind experience, and most importantly, value over time. With the quality assurance that the pre-selling Avida Towers Sola and ready for occupancy Avida Towers Vita offers, it is a sure miss not to have a unit that is suited for the on-the-go individuals like you. So if you want to wake up owning a unit inside this beautiful estate development of Ayala Land, ask me how. Please feel free to leave your contact details and inquiries and we will get back to you soon.